What if you press a button and just by doing so, you can make money? You heard that right. Just do a little press and boom, you get paid 50 cents. If you press it again, you make $1, and that's insane. But what if you can press the button as many times as you possibly can unlimitedly? Just imagine how much money you could be making in a day. Up to $250. All you will need for today's method is either your computer or your mobile phone, and you're pretty much good to go. You don't need any skills or experience for today's method, but you do need to pay close attention to the 2 tips that we are going to be sharing with you somewhere along today's video, because if you actually miss those bonus tips, then surely you won't make any money at all. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. Our website for today is called Paydara, and to get to their website, just type in paydara.com, and that should take you to this page right here. As you can see, turn your time into money. Working online has become easy without any previous experience using all-in-one solution provided by Paydara to get paid by doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. No country redirection, instant payment requests, both mobile and desktop users accepted. Why is Paydara the best? Unlimited tasks. We are providing unlimited tasks to complete every day. Makes no limit to what you can make per day. You can invite friends. They are paying you to invite your friends to join us. Make money from your social circle. They also have instant payments. You can reach the minimum payout threshold and request your instant payment easily. It is 24/7 available. Now, what does Paydara offer? You can sign up tasks, sign up or subscribe to other websites or offers, complete surveys. We are offering multiple surveys available for you to complete. You can upload videos. Uploading videos have become more profitable than other tasks. Again, you can invite friends, tell your friends about us, and make a good revenue. You're going to write about us, write articles and posts about us, and get paid for it. It is all in one. All of your earnings are available in one place. Now, they have over 930,000 members, over 7 million tasks completed, and over $1,000 payment sent. Now, why choose Paydara? Paydara is the one and only website that provides a multi-stream of income in one single platform, meaning that you will be able to choose what to do with the existing of many options. Complete tasks that are easy for you, complete surveys about your preferred field, take unlimited quizzes whenever you want, invite your friends and family, and avoid working in multiple sites and get your revenue split and hard to withdraw. As you can see over here, we have some payment proofs and reviews to reassure you that people really are getting paid out and getting paid out really good amounts as well. Now, to sign up, just hit on create an account on the upper right side of your screen, and that should take you to here. Now, before anything else, let's read through this really quickly. Money making solutions available within our system. Taking surveys. Take surveys are an easy way to help advertisers achieve their goals on collecting anonymous data about their product and services and making the right move towards success. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer. PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. You can download apps. Do you have an Android or iOS smartphone? Then you can easily make money just by downloading apps to your phone. doing tasks. There is a huge number of tasks that are ready for you to complete and make money from them wherever you're living or language you speak. You can invite friends. You can turn your social friend circle into money generating assets and make money while you're away from your computer. You can upload videos. You can make money by creating short videos in specific topics for advertisers. You can write short articles. Writing a promotional article is an easy passive way to make money from our system without spending more time on hard and complicated things, and many more. So find out more in your dashboard and pick the right method for you. Now down here, start making money with us. We are providing an easy-to-use platform for people willing to make money online without investment and from scratch, and no website, no previous experience, no money. What you need is only a few hours per day to earn money using our simple solution. We are providing a multiple money-making options in one place, available for worldwide members. No matter what is your country or your language, you can start today and make money forever. Respecting our rules is a must to keep your account safe and in good condition. You are not allowed to promote using a paid solution or to buy referrals or to pay people to complete a task for you. You are the only one allowed to work on our platform, except our external offers, and any other co-working will be permanently banned. Instead, anyone can have an account to work with without any problem. Now that we've read through all of that, go ahead and fill up the form according to what it is they're asking from you. First name, last name, username, email, address, password twice, and then hit on sign up and create my account. As soon as you hit on sign up, you can already log into your brand new account. And now this is your dashboard right here, and we're going to be taking you through the things to do on here so that you can earn the most money possible. Now, as you can see, when you're logged in and you look at the left side of your screen and under surveys, you'll see like a lot of different surveys. And for example, we're going to select this. So you can see here that 100 cents is equal to $1, and the payment on your per survey is at around 80 cents. So it's super easy to earn $1 through this website. So for example, under the CPX research surveys, their surveys pay out pretty big money, which is always a great part of it. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next, so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. So let's say we're going to take this survey. We will select what we want, then we answer the questions, and there are quite a few. You're gonna have to fill up some of your personal information so that they have like a record of your personal information and they know which surveys to match you to. And then you complete the survey once you've filled up those personal information questions, and boom, earn the money that they promised you. So that's literally it. Now, aside from surveys, you can actually do everything else on this website, or what this website offers, because it's literally so easy. You just keep pressing and pressing like different buttons, and that's pretty much it for today's video. Now, a little recap. You're gonna go on Paydara.com. You're gonna take their surveys, you're gonna do their tasks, you're gonna download apps, and you're going to make money from all of those. And that is basically it. Make sure you try it out, and that is everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.